You're saving money wrong, and it's costing you years of progress. Here's what most people do. They spend all month. Then at the end, they try to save whatever's left over. But there's never anything left over. That's the trap. Bills come up. Unexpected expenses hit. Life happens, and savings gets pushed to next month. Every single time. This isn't a discipline problem. It's a system problem. You're using a method designed to fail. Leftovers don't build wealth. Systems do. The Finance Reset Toolkit flips the script. Instead of saving what's left, you set your savings target first. Then you see exactly what's left to spend. You pay yourself before you pay everyone else. No guessing, no guilt, no end-of-month disappointment. Want to save $500 a month? Set it first. The toolkit shows you what's left for everything else. Want to save more? Adjust the slider and watch your future change. When you see the numbers up front, spending decisions become obvious. You know exactly what you can afford because the math is already done. Stop saving leftovers. Start paying yourself first. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.